Hi YouTube, this is Starstruck here, another video. This is a really weird glitch. I'm playing with my friend right now, and as you can see, like, it's glitched so much that it glitched this big chunk of the world, and I've been able to build a bridge. So let's just walk across the bridge. It's really weird. See, I have one dirt block in my inventory. Oh. Glitching up over here. Oh, it's not working over here. Oh, I can't place anymore. But it's really weird. Watch this. Okay. I got rid of my block, right? I have another one in my inventory. This is what I meant when I said weird. See, look at this. I have one block and it just keeps giving it back, and I can go as far as I want. I just thought that was really weird. I had to do a video on it. If you see this right now, I could build like a 5-story freaking house and out of this one dirt block. So if you ever said it's impossible to build a house out of one block, you're wrong. Oh, it's working. Oh no, it's working now. I better get off of this. Oh, I better get out before I fall. Oh. See, as you can see, I did this bridge with one block. It like glitched out, so I was able to put one block. And it just kept giving it back to me, but this time it didn't. Oh, that's good. Eat my bread. Okay. Oh, it's just too weird for me. This is another video with her. This is another video with Starstruck PS3 and Minecraft. And please like, subscribe, share with your friends on Facebook, and have a great day.